1 balloon, 2 cups of water, and 4 cups of plaster. This tip can make you a lot of money. That's right everyone, so go ahead and put it all in a large container. Then mix very well. And listen carefully, this can really help you get some extra money. After mixing well, let's transfer all the plaster into a plastic bottle, okay? I'm using a water bottle here, but feel free to use whatever you got there. After that, you're gonna take the balloon, blow it up, then twist it so the air won't come out. Then go ahead and drop it over the mouth of the bottle. Now we're gonna pour all this plaster inside the balloon. But you need to do this process before the plaster starts to harden, okay folks? After putting all the plaster inside the balloon, tie a knot to close it. And then we're gonna move the balloon like this, spreading the plaster all over the inside of the balloon. Do this until you start to notice that the balloon is hardening. Then you can hold it like this, but try not to move it too much. In a short time, the plaster will dry completely. Then you won't need to hold it anymore. Then, after about 30 minutes, go ahead and remove the balloon. And look, it's gonna look like this. Now our tip is starting to get interesting. So now folks, we're gonna need a bowl. And then take a pen or a pencil and draw a line along the bowl. After that, go ahead and cut along this mark we made. But do this very carefully. Take your time and don't rush. After cutting it, now you can remove the top. And then, with the same object, scrape to remove all the rough edges. You can also use sandpaper for the final touch. This will get rid of all the rough edges and any imperfections. Make sure to use the finest sandpaper you can find though. See, this is how it should look like. If you want, you can also sand the inside to remove any imperfections, but for what I'm gonna use, it's not really necessary. And now to finish folks, let's go ahead and spray paint it. I'm using this gold paint here, but feel free to use your favorite color. But I think this one looks really great for decoration. Alright, I've finished and the paint has dried. And check this out folks, now we have a nice piece of decoration. You can use it like that, and if it's necessary, you can sand and paint the inside too. But in our case, that's not really necessary because we're gonna use it as a plant pot. Look, it's beautiful, isn't it? And to make this product, the cost is pretty low. So it can be a great opportunity to sell and make some extra cash. You can sell it for a price you find fair, and you definitely have a decent extra income.